Hey everybody, it's John Stauffer, and I'm here to bring you a tech tip from MCAM Northwest. Have you ever looked at Mastercam and thought, I wish they would add this feature? Or maybe you saw something and thought, ooh, I like this a lot, maybe they should apply it in other places. Well, this sort of feedback is exactly what Mastercam is looking for, and there's a great way for you to actually give that feedback directly to Mastercam. Now, of course, we do get phone calls and emails from people saying, they wanted these kind of enhancements, and that's great. We love to hear that. But ultimately, Mastercam does want to see these requests come directly from customers. That is their pride and joy, is to actually build up this software around community suggestions. It's a big deal to them. So I'm actually going to show you exactly how you can do that with an example. Let's take a look. So I'm here in Mastercam, and here in my op number 7, in my parameters, if I go to my linking parameters, what's really awesome about 2024 is I have this visual linking. This is super, super useful because it gives me that clear visualization of exactly what's happening with my linking. Now, I love this feature, but what I don't like so much is that it's only for hole making. I could see this being hugely beneficial for things like a regular contour toolpath, really any 2D toolpath at all. Or maybe I even could see this in a 3D example. If we were to go to, say, steep shallow, I would love to see this visually represented so that I can clearly see what's going on. I think that that could be very useful. So how do I tell Mastercam what I want to see in the software? It's pretty simple. So we're going to first go to mastercam.com. Then in the upper right, go ahead and click this login button here. Now, if you have a mastercam.com login, go ahead and log in as normal. If not, you can create an account down here by clicking this button, and it's going to ask you a couple quick questions for setup. It's easy and free, so why not do it? Once you have an account, go ahead and log in. And then once we get past the login, we'll be at the main My Mastercam page. Now yours may look a little bit different because I am a reseller, but in the upper right, we will find communities. And if you hover over that, you can go to the forum. And then here at the forum, we can find information and discussion topics on everything Mastercam. Now, before we go and post a new thread, we should try to see if anyone else has posted about it. That way we're not making it too complicated. So I'm going to type in linking, then do a search and see what we can find. And it looks like I've got 500 results. That's probably too broad. Let's go back and try something a little more selective. And let's try visual linking. And there we go. Now we have 8 results. We can parse through these results and see if there's anything here that matches up to what we're looking for. Looks like this post might actually be right. So we can go in there and read through it. If this is what we're looking for, we can do a reply at the bottom with literally a +1, the plus symbol and a 1. And if you want to add some extra detail, go ahead and add some extra. Otherwise, if no one else has posted about this, you can make your own thread. To do that, go to the forum that you want to post to. It's going to be the customer forum. Then click on new topic. You can put a title here, put in your description here, be as descriptive as possible. You have the option to notify me of follow-up replies via email. This is really neat because if someone is answering you and giving +1s, or if there's someone at Mastercam who wants to have a little bit of back and forth with you and get some clarification, you can actually get an email about that rather than needing to go to the forums constantly to look for those replies. You can also allow for attachments up to 25 megabytes. Once you're done, just click submit and you're done. Now your ideas have been submitted to Mastercam and they can take that and add it into the program, making it more robust for everyone's use. So I hope that video was helpful for you. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But more importantly, we want to hear back from you and see what do you want to learn about Mastercam. Go ahead and comment below to let us know. If you want to learn more about Mastercam 2024, go ahead and contact our sales team at sales@mcamnw.com. Thanks and have a good day.